previous video, we solved such inequality. 3x minus 1 is more than 5. So what's the difference here? Is there is no negative sign here. Now we have a negative sign. So let me quickly remind you how we solved that, and then we'll do the minus. So here we did plus 1, and then we cancel that. On the left side, we have 3x is more than 5 plus 1 is 6. And then we divide it by 3. And then we got x is more than 6 divided by 3 is 2. Now that's how we solved it. And how did we represent this? We represent it on the number line like this. So that was the number line, and we started at 2, and then x is more than 2, so we start here and we go towards more than 2. That's this. Now let's leave this here so that you can see the difference, and let's solve the first question to the left. Similarly, we'll do plus 1 and we'll do plus 1 here. On the left side, we have negative 3x is more than 5 plus 1 is 6. Now what we will do here is we will divide by negative 3. Here we divide it by 3, right? So here we'll divide by negative 3 because it's negative 3x. Divide by negative 3. Now, negative 3 divided by negative 3 is just gone. So we have only x left. From now on, whenever you divide or multiply by negative, you flip the inequality sign. So it was this. Now we will make it this way. And 6 divided by negative 3 is negative 2. Now, did you notice the difference? Here we got x is more than 2, and here we got x is less than negative 2. So be careful. When it's negative, you need to flip the sign. Now let's represent it. Let's just say this is negative 2 here. You just move it up. And then less than negative 2. So we start here and we go to smaller numbers. Negative 3, negative 4, and so on. So this is the solution for this question. Did you get it? Now, I'll do this question to the left. Now here, we'll first do plus 1 to cancel that one. We don't want you, so we'll do plus 1 to cancel it. Cancel the one. Now you have negative 3x is less than or equal to 6. Divide both sides by negative 3. This is cancelled, so you just have x is less than or equals to negative 2. Oh, I forgot, you see, I did it myself. So when we divide by negative, we should flip the sign. Don't forget to do that, you will lose the marks. So I flipped the sign. Now let's represent it here. So this is negative 2. And now x is more than negative 2. So it's this way. And it's very important to make the circle and include the negative 2 itself. So shade it like that. Now this is very good. Do you think you understand? Do you get it? If you have a question, please ask in the comments. Now, if you didn't ask, that means you understand. So it's your turn. Try this. This is your homework. And comment your answer. Thank you for following. Bye.